Friends, in global trade today, the biggest risk isn't about containers getting lost. It is about payments getting stuck. Sanctions, digital currency wars, and new geopolitical divides have totally changed how money moves across borders. I am Dr. Vijesh Jain, and in this particular educational video, we'll explore how global payment systems are evolving and what exporters and importers must do to stay safe in 2026 and beyond. For decades, exporters relied on trusted financial tools like letter of credit, bills of exchange, and the SWIFT networks. The system worked because it was predictable and centralized. A bank in India, for example, could talk to a bank in Brazil securely within hours. But that world is changing fast. When major economies started using payment systems as tools of foreign policy, everything changed. SWIFT cutoffs, bank sanctions, currency controls, all these things are turning global trade finance into a diplomatic battleground. Many exporters suddenly found themselves unpaid, not because the buyers refused, but because their transactions couldn't move through the global financial grid that exists today and which is evolving very fast. So, in response to this situation, new regional payment systems are emerging. India's RuPay and Unified Payments Interface UPI, these kind of things are now connecting cross-border settlements, at least in Asia and Middle East for now. In future, it will expand. China's CIPS network, for example, is processing yuan-based trade payments, and BRICS Pay is being tested as an alternative to SWIFT itself, at least for developing countries for now. Even central banks are experimenting with something called CBDCs, central bank digital currencies, for faster and traceable transactions. So, what can you do as an exporter or global business leader? Here is your 2026 payment safety checklist I want to show you. Always verify the buyer's country and banking network. Sanctions matter. Diversify your payment systems. Don't just rely on SWIFT system itself. Use escrow or insured payment platforms wherever possible. And fourthly, document every transaction. Compliance can be your armor. And finally, keep an eye on digital currency adoption. It is not just the trend, it is the future. So, in 2026 and beyond, money will move differently, faster, digitally, and politically. Businesses that understand this new payment geography will survive disruptions and grow confidently in international trade. The safest payments isn't the one that is guaranteed by the banks. It is the one you understand completely and very comprehensively.